Good day. Today I'm testing a 50-liter still just before it's going to one of my customers. Now I'm running stripping distillation. So I fill up this pot with some 10-12% sugar-based wash, and now running the stripping distillation. Now it's like moonshine stuff coming out. Here you can see the percentage. It's about 70 right now. So it's just a simple distillation column. It's a stripping column. And we're running some crude spirits. And the second stage we're gonna do is fractional distillation. Now I'm only just started, planning to get about 5 or 6 liters of maybe 7 liters of about 50% stuff. I didn't fill it up completely because I don't wanna spend entire day distilling the stuff. All I need just to test it. It's all running, it's all working, but I would like to run it completely for at least a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours, to have a complete picture of how the bloody thing gonna perform, to make sure that it's gonna work without any problems. And this is it for now, for this beginning of distillation. Okay, see you later. It's the next stage probably, or once I finish this one. So we're finishing our stripping distillation. Now you can see the decline of percentage. Big decline. We started with 70, now I don't know how much, 20% probably. Okay, wait a second. Here we've got about 20% or maybe 30. Yeah, approximately 25%. So we see decline of percentage and production. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's just sort of piecing out with portions. I personally would say it's time to stop, because you may see the reaction in a liquid, in the spirits, that's water coming out of still. It's now distilled water. So I would say it's enough. I've already been measuring the actual percentage here, and it's about 50%. Just enough. I don't need any water, I don't need to use any extra electricity. It's time to stop this distillation and move forward. This is it for now. Okay, we carry on our distillation. Now we're running fractional distillation. I replace the column. It's already dark outside. It's winter. Here's a still with a big column. Is our percentage. It shows about 93, 94, but because it's so cold, it's winter, and spirits that produced, the spirit is about I would say 12 degrees Celsius, So it would show this particular percentage. If you'll bring it up to 20 degrees Celsius, the temperature that usually used for alcohol measurements, you will get 95% definitely. So we're running distillation at approximately 3 liters per hour. I already removed the heads. And now we're just collecting some body. So this is a still. One more time. Everything's running fine, without any problems, without any issues. Here's a column. Here's a reflux control valve here. Sorry for lack of lighting. This video is just only a proof of the bloody thing working properly. This is it. Okay, thanks a lot. See you later.